The next shot is a very close that he's presenting his ID. The ID is of will pay a small homage to Superbad's
McLovin.
McLovin ID. On the nose, fake.
You picked a dumb fucking name.
My view of agencies traditionally is negative.
Just this persistent communication gap.
I'm not a big fan of the traditional structure.
The communication is so off.
There's always been a lot of back and forth, what we want, what they want.
The budget itself is such a massive constraint.
Too many cooks usually spoil the broth.
Upcoming agencies ruin experiences.
Agencies ना इस चीज को one off project लेके चलती हैं.
The quality of work starts to go down.
They're a little bit more transactional by nature.
It's so impossible to bring your vision to life.
It's not the best experience.
Give me my money back, like seriously.
My name is Chaitanya Khanapure. Grew up in Pune and Bombay. Studied computer engineering, worked jobs. And that's when I started traveling. Went traveling around, met my friends in the States, figured out what craft brewing is, and decided I need a new career. My brand is Igloo Craft Beers. We're based in Mumbai. I used to be a computer engineer. When I was about 30 is when I decided that enough is enough. I just discovered craft beer in the US. That's when I did my first batch and I decided, man, this is just right up my alley and I'll do this. We aim to be amongst India's top brands and of course some international exposure as well. It's such a restricted industry. There are so many regulations around what you're allowed to say, what you're allowed to do. Traditional media is just completely out the window. You can't do any, any print ads. You can't do any television, of course, no broadcast on television. Even placing your banners and signages and hoardings, the avenues that you can use throughout all of these are severely restricted.
I'm Gautami. I'm also from Pune. In 9th grade, I decided I want to be a director. I just got down from my bunk bed and I told my dad, okay, I want to do this. And since then, the journey has started. Right now, I'm just trying to write, go forward, be myself. So my school kind of encouraged creative writing, theatre, and all this. And Pune is kind of crazy in literature and theatre as well. My dad is also a very passionate cinephile, so we always used to watch movies together. So I don't know, but that's how the passion had sparked. Ideal type of client is they are clear on what they want as a brand and what their identity they want to show, put forward, and yeah, that's it actually. Otherwise, they are the boss.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me the boss. So where did you study in Pune? Yeah?
Aksharnandan.
Aksharnandan. Is that the school that Radhika Apte went
Yes,
to?
yes.
That's the one.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why we want to do craft beer or why we think craft beer is better than your commercial beer that's available out there is that we do no shortcuts in this business because we're using all real malt. There is no cost cutting when it comes to ingredients at all. So we do this masala cucumber sour beer.
Okay.
A lot of people will like, cucumber kaisa lagega? But it's that if you remember when you were in school, outside school, there must be one guy on a cycle with these kata hua kheera, then he'll cut it up, add this mirchi, salt and all. That's the idea that we're trying to capture with that beer. That we don't use any nature identical flavors, no colorings go into the beer. It comes out the way that the science of beer makes it happen. Third is honesty. What really appeals to us is the hard work that people put in to do the first two things right. We're hoping craft beer becomes the beer of the masses.
I was trying to find some major values, what do you want as a brand identity, and came down to three, like you said. Approachability, which is including everyone, no matter the class, gender, whatever it is. Like you said, cultural authenticity. If you're trying to showcase an ingredient from a place, then that place is the hero. The last, we finalized on, which was the uncompromising quality and the honesty which you make the beer. Through this, I wanted to include a sort of juxtapose a little parallels to life, failures of shortcuts to like, okay, great brewery. There's no like deep message for this. It's plain and simple. Like, good beer doesn't take shortcuts. Igloo is just straight, honest. That's it. No gimmicks. So the first shot is of a kind of a young boy, and he's holding his phone and like he's trying to look older. He's putting a little spray or like white paint a little over his hair, and he's just in a bar corner. We can hear the pub music. We don't see anybody. The next shot is a very close that he's presenting his ID. On top of a bar counter. The ID is of, will pay a small homage to Superbad's McLovin ID. On the nose, fake.
You picked a dumb fucking name.
Fuck you. We see him nervously just holding out, like hoping, okay, now he'll get it. But then like a voice comes in the background, nice try. And the glass of milk is just pushed in front of him. In the next scene, we are in a sort of a lab situation. Like a scientist has a beer mug, has water, and like there's a huge sachet of powdered something, and like it says true beer, and like just add water. And so he kind of puts the sachet in the mug, puts the water, and it's all just like, to his horror, it just like fusses out and like makes the whole counter.
There was a Kingfisher ad a few years back, if you remember. They did that with the 28-liter those Bisleri carboys that you get. And they added a sachet. Of carbonation and something. Apparently you mix it. It was an April Fool's joke.
That's a failure.
Yeah.
And the voiceover says desperate results. Then we move on to the next shot. It's a very like extreme close of a man just like sweating and grunting, and then next shot is just of his bicep, and like he's wearing a sleeve t-shirt but he's doing bicep curls. We can probably put Tandoori Nights, like how Himesh Reshmiya does. So a hand comes in the shot, like and it has a needle, and it just like goes towards the bicep and it like pops.
So it shows that he's like a poser and not like
correct. And that loud pop, we just transition into a little beauty shots and like clean shots of your brewery, like the process of it. And the voice can say, good beer doesn't cut corners. Multiple shots of just beer running down, like, and then we can cut to heroic shot of the cans where the tagline can come. No tricks, no pretending, just craft. Or I have some options like skip the hacks, taste the real thing, Igloo. Or no hacks, no bullshit, just beer done right. Yeah. I also thought that we can make the cans move in a way that it's like the can talking.
Yeah.
So the can talking to each other, like the tagline. So the can was doing the voiceover all this while.
Right.
We sort of do a comeback onto our first scene. There's the clock which hits 12. The guy we saw is not he doesn't have the white hair anymore. He's wearing a birthday cap and he's like confidently showing his ID now. Suggesting that he is now aged to drink beer, and the Igloo can just kicks one of him, he cracks it open.
Sounds lovely, dude. It sounds really lovely, actually. Just the voiceover, maybe we need to figure out
of course the lines.
What the lines actually are. But other than that, I think it looks...
and we can make it into like shorter cuts also. Like we can just keep one story and then that tagline, and you can keep posting it, like shortcut fails and then again your brand ka thing will come.
Super.
So we can make this into 3 separate or 4 separate things. If I'm allowed to add like another idea, since we were talking about being approachable and being for everyone, it's a very easy idea. It's just a table, a hand comes. It's a very it's a fair expensive watch, tulip glass hand, and the voice is saying, okay, the beer should be poured at like 45-degree angle and like it should be served at that temperature. Igloo can is in front of him. On the frame right, another hand comes. It's like a tanned hand. In a hurry, it's just like come down like this. And like the voice is saying, boss, chilled hai na? Bus, and the Igloo can comes, and that's like basically there's a contrast between like sort of Belgian wit and like Bombay days sort of thing, and we can do that with like multiple beers, like whatever that each beer represents, like each hand can represent something else, like what that table can have some props which like show what that beer is, and so that can show it's not just for the elite or just also for the working, not just for this, everybody can have that beer, because at the end they both cheer and just drink the beer.
Every single one captures a different idea of what we think the brand is. I think in one go, excellent. in shorter
Yeah.
things, I think even better,
Yeah,
because
even
that's
that
as much
works,
as attention spans are
Correct,
these days. So I think I really like the
Yeah.
ideas. Let's work on this. Absolutely. Awesome, man. It was
Okay.
lovely,
Thank you so
lovely
much.
meeting you.
Yeah.
And we'll be in touch.
Yeah,
Like,
definitely.
not that I will get in touch with you or anything. We'll be in touch
Yes,
from today
definitely.
onwards. Yeah.
Under pressure, I'm a diamond, so it's,
Under pressure, you're a diamond.
it's like
Oh,
मेरा pressure cool है.
ये मैंने क्लाइंट को क्लोज नहीं किया, ऑलरेडी कॉपी हो गए.
no,
I'm a diamond under
no,
pressure.
no.